Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for a PayPal account. First, navigate to the official PayPal website or download their mobile application from your device's App Store. Once there, locate and click the prominent Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner. You will then be prompted to select your account type, choosing either a personal account for individual use or a business account for commercial activities. This initial step is quick and straightforward. Next, you'll need to provide some essential personal information. This includes your full legal name, a valid email address, and a secure password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum protection. You'll also enter your mobile phone number, which is crucial for two-factor authentication and account recovery. Finally, review and accept PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy to proceed with your registration. After providing your personal details, the next vital step is to link a payment method. You can choose to connect a bank account directly or add a debit or credit card. PayPal will guide you through a quick verification process for your chosen method, often involving small deposits or charges that you confirm. This secure connection allows you to seamlessly send and receive money, making your account fully functional. To finalize your account setup, you must confirm your email address. Look for a verification email from PayPal in your inbox and click the provided link. Occasionally, PayPal may request additional identity verification, such as uploading a photo ID for enhanced security. Once these steps are complete, your PayPal account is fully active, and you can confidently begin sending, receiving, and managing your money with ease.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.